Welcome to your retirement payday. If you're, wondering how you're going to retire because you just don't have enough money, you're struggling to pay your bills and wondering, how did you ever end up in that position? You have come to the right place. This channel is all about helping you to build an online business to generate income for your retirement. My name is Walter Powell. I am 71 years old. I have worked for 40 years as an architect. I built many homes, many buildings all around the world, many places anyway. And, I made a lot of people wealthy, but I never really made any wealth for myself. And at 71, I came face to face with the grim reality that I just did not have any money to retire. I didn't have any income. I was having trouble paying my mortgage. I'm still having trouble paying my mortgage, paying the bills and so forth. So I figured there's got to be some way, to deal with it. And I thought, well, an online business. You got to be able to create an online business. So I started looking online on how to do that. I came up against all kinds of gurus, billionaires, Learjets, yachts, and all that kind of stuff. And it just didn't seem real to me. I mean, it was way out of any kind of reality that I was dealing with. And none of it really seemed to be, honest or truthful. And it wasn't really something I felt that I could do. And so I got pretty discouraged. However, I kept looking and I came across a simple course that outlined a step-by-step program to build an online business. And I watched a lot of videos about people who had used that same step-by-step program and ended up making a six-figure income. And I thought, well, if they can do it, they're just regular people, normal people. And if they can do it, I can do it. And so can you. So I am going to do that. I'm going to build a business on here. You subscribe to me. You can follow along in this channel. And I am going to build a business starting from zero. And you can watch me do that. And you can then learn how to do it through the way that I failed forward. I'm going to have lots of failures. I'm going to have lots of successes. And I am definitely going to do it. So if you want to watch that and figure out, maybe you want to build your own business as we go, that'd be great too. But subscribe to this channel, push, follow button, and watch me do it. And strap on your seatbelt because it's going to be a wild ride. And I am definitely going to make this happen. So the only question really is, what are you going to do?